Nobody wants back pain. Having good lumbar support can help prevent back pain and make you more comfortable while sitting. This is the comfom Foam Memory Lumbar Buddy. This is a lumbar support pillow that you can use in your car, your chair at home, even at your desk office chair. It features comfortable memory foam with an orthopedic design, and it has a washable cover too, which that's good. The memory foam softens in reaction to body heat and weight to provide custom support, and this is a high density memory foam as well. The fabric is a breathable and hypoallergenic material. So let me show you how I fit this on the chair. It's fairly simple, not hard at all. The two straps, the stretchy straps, go around the farthermost port of the chair so that you can place it. And then it has a nice buckle. You can take it off if you want to take it off and move it, and then you just click it in place to keep it in place and take care of your back. So I got two of these. I can put one in my desk chair and one in my car. They come in black, which I'll open this one to show you, and burgundy. And they come in a really nice carrying bag, just in case you want to transport it somewhere to put it in a different place. So I'm going to open this one up for you. Alright, and here we go. That's really nice. So on the back there are two strong stretchy straps to allow you to attach them to most chairs. And then here is the zipper so you can remove it, remove the cover and wash it if you need to. So if you spill something or it just ends up smelling weird, you know, you can go and wash it. And to show you this nice memory foam, like I'm going to put my hand on and it'll conform to your body. And well, it's actually conforming to the shape of my hand. It's very soft, very comfortable. I'm going to sit down and tell you a little bit more how it feels. So this just feels so much more comfortable without sitting against these hard wooden slats. You feel supported and so comfortable that now using the chair without it's going to feel a lot different. So comfortable, really forms to your back. Like each time I press, it sinks in and stays there. Just imagine how it would feel after several hours just sitting at your boring desk job. So most people spend a lot of time sitting every single day. So you shouldn't overlook the importance of a lumbar buddy. It's very comfortable and there's certainly ergonomic seating. The lumbar support can alleviate back pain and also shoulder pain as well. Like, I have back pain every single day in my lower back, and right now just sitting in this relieves it. And I feel really comfortable right now, and it's also a bit of a change because I can tell I've been sitting in a bad position as well. So this is really great. This is such a comfortable product, and I definitely recommend you considering one of these. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel to know when the next review is coming out. Also, continue your likes and comments. We appreciate them very much. Check the description section below for more opportunities to follow us on social media and to contact us and to find out more about this lovely product. Thanks for watching.